Hello heroes! Let's say that we want to take a screenshot out of what we're having in front of our screen, and then we want to quickly annotate on top of that screenshot. We can either use the print screen button to take a screenshot of the whole screen, and then we can open it in Paint or PowerPoint and annotate on top of it, save that as an image, and then share it with whoever we want to share it. Or we can use the native Snip and Sketch app from Windows, which is also called Snipping Tool in Windows 10 and Windows 11. To use this, all we have to do is press Shift, the Windows button, and S. This will open the Snipping Tool. In here, we're going to have several options. We can either do a rectangular snip, we can do freeform, we can capture a window if we have several windows open, or we can capture the full screen. The easiest way is just to use the rectangular one if you don't have to have a specific shape. So you just click and select the area that you want to snip, and you will get a notification with the snip in the Snip and Sketch tool. Once you click on it, you can directly annotate. Let's say that we want to highlight part of it, or we want to draw attention to specific parts in it. We can also erase and change the color of the annotations, the size, and then we can either copy directly and paste in our destination. Let's say that it's a PowerPoint or a message in Teams or in WhatsApp directly, or we can save this sketch. Another way in which we can use the Snip and Sketch is, again, Shift Windows S, and we can do a free form. Let's say that we want to capture this particular pen. Once we're done, it will copy it. We can copy, paste into our destination, and even in PowerPoint, we can take away the background. The other advantage that we have is if we have our clipboard enabled that we use with Windows button and V, everything that we have copied with the Snip and Sketch will be also available on our clipboard.
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it on your social media. And remember to follow p3.hero on all of their social media. And subscribe to my newsletter to get more content like this. Thank you very much for your support.